WANGDA Showcases is professional to supply turnkey museum display solution designed for museum exhibition and production. From concept step, exhibition design and display showcase design, as well as the museum showcase manufacturing supply, on-site installation and also after-sales maintenance, WANGDA Showcases always works tightly with clients, so this ensures the final display solutions completely meet the original design without compromise. As the manufacturer of museum display cases / museum showcases / museum display cabinets / vitrines, the core system of museum display solutions, WANGDA Showcases not only produces high-standard museum display cases with same precision, quality and technology equal to traditional European museum display case suppliers, but also supply museums with unparalleled budget advantage under the support of modernized streamline production lines consisting of CNC machines, laser devices and smart production facilities, as well as enterprise management and project management. High quality, reliable performance, well protection, perfect conservation, punctual delivery, professional installation, free warranty and worry-free maintenance are the grand commitments from WANGDA Showcases for all the museums in the world. WANGDA Showcases will always take it as its glory and ambition to make contribution to the protection and inheritance of history, heritage and art heritage by supplying museums with high-standard museum display cases / museum showcases / museum display cabinets / vitrines at competitive and affordable budget. Why choose us? We are professional. With dedicated enterprise spirit, we ensure that all projects to be executed with utmost professionalism to select qualified museum-grade materials and meet recognized international criteria for professionalized museum protection, conservation and exhibition while offering clients the professional support. We will save your budget much. Due to conscientious dedication, scientific design, intensive production, modernized production lines, high precision fabrication, efficient enterprise management and cost management, we are able to squeeze budget to the bottom but keep high standard supply. Thereby we will save much budget for museums. We are loyal and dependable. Honesty is the only policy and we always strive to complete all projects with integrity. We use the best of technology and quality to ensure all jobs are done within schedule, but also give high attention to quality and details. Fulfilled museum showcases projects. Footnote: we are trustworthy. We are always improving. We have never stopped to improve ourselves and our supply so as to eliminate any risk or defect for approaching to the targeted acme. WANGDA Showcases has always been committed to supplying conservation grade of museum display case / museum showcases / museum display cabinets / museum vitrines at the most competitive budget but with highest quality and technology level, with punctual delivery and free warranty to worldwide museums, art galleries, archaeological institution, libraries, archives, private collectors and so on. For more info about museum showcases manufacturer, visit here.